In this video, I'm gonna show you how you made $110 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic, and I made this commission just in few minutes, okay? Just with promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest and just with free traffic without investing any money in paid ads, okay? I'm gonna share with you which service I was promoted on Pinterest. I'm gonna share with you step by step for beginners how we can start making money with Fiverr affiliate. So let's get started. So what you need to do, so for beginners who are new to Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do is you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by user email address. The sign up process to Fiverr is super easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr, okay? So what you need to do is you just need to come to this page over here, okay, and scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So what you need to do is you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. So let me show you. If you click over here on commission plan and you scroll down, if you scroll down like this, here you go. As you can see, this is Fiverr CPA commission. You can earn up to $115 for all Fiverr Pro services. If you promote Pro services, if just one person buy any service from your affiliate link, you will earn $115 just for one service, okay? $15 for those services: graphic and design, data, mobile apps, website development. $14 for those services: website builder, music videos, and so much more. $13 for those e-commerce product videos, product animation, logo maker, SEO. $25 for those services: gaming, articles, video marketing, and so much more. So you can, as you can see, it's up to $115 in commission. That's really a lot of money. So to join Fiverr affiliate, you can just click over here on join now, and as you can see, you will be directly in this website, as you can see. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple, okay? So you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private, okay? And you will answer a few questions and choose your country, then choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, and that's all. It's really easy and simple, so we don't need to make a YouTube video just about the sign up process to Fiverr, because it's super easy, as you can see, okay? So after you finish your sign up process to Fiverr affiliate, this will be your home page, okay? And you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. What you need to do now is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr, okay? Go back to your home page. Now I'm gonna share with you which service you need to promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. So click on the search over here and search for AI. Okay, search for AI voice over, okay? Like this. Search for AI voice over. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step, okay? Always make sure to choose good sellers. You need to choose good sellers. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So make sure to choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, Fiverr choice. Those sellers are good sellers. Okay, so let me choose one of those sellers. I'm gonna choose this one. This one is Fiverr choice. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. Just click on his service. You just need to click on his service and you will be directly in his profile page. What you need to do is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link like this and go back to Fiverr Affiliate, to your Fiverr Affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, default and deep links, and click over here and put this profile seller link here like this. Then click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do is you just need to copy this link from here and you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. I'm gonna show you how you can do it. It's really easy and simple. Let's go to Pinterest. If you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Pinterest. And make sure to choose business account, not personal account. You need to open business Pinterest business account. So this will be your home page. Click on create and click on create pin. Scroll down and put your affiliate link here. This is my affiliate link. What you need to do is you need to put title, description and picture. How you can do this? Just go back to the seller page that you copy his profile link and copy his title. You can use his title as an affiliate. I'm gonna copy his title, go to Pinterest, and I will put this title over here like this. I need description. I will go back to his profile page, scroll down. About this gig, this is his description. I'm gonna use his description like this. I will go back to Pinterest, put this description here like this. Okay, I need picture. I will go back to his profile page. He has a video. Okay, let me see. This is a video.
This is Dave. Dave is an independent hotel owner.
You can upload this video to your laptop, or you can just click over here on save image. I'm gonna just click on save image. Okay, I'm gonna name it voice AI. Save. I will go to Pinterest and I will click on this icon over here, and I will put this picture here about his service. Okay, and here you go. This is your picture about your affiliate service. This is your title, description and your affiliate link. What you need to do is you need to click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest, and people who are searching for AI voiceover, they will find your affiliate link like this on, let me show you. They will find your affiliate link like this. Okay, and if they click on your affiliate link over here, for example like this, they will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller. If they click on continue and buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. It's easy and simple. Okay, so that's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.